Have you ever wondered why, even though they're all keyboards, some cost just a few dollars while others are tens of times more expensive? The difference actually lies in the mechanical design and internal structure. Next, we take apart a mechanical keyboard that costs 50 times more. Each key has its own spring and metal contacts. When pressed, the slider moves, allowing the metal contacts to touch, producing that crisp click sound. This complex structure and large PCB greatly increase the cost, but the tactile feel and durability of the keys are significantly better. By contrast, the membrane keyboard we covered in the last video uses a thin film switch design. Laptop keyboards usually use a scissor switch mechanism combined with a rubber dome, giving a shorter key travel and lighter feel, but both types lack the tactile feedback of mechanical keys. By comparing these three types, we can clearly see that a few critical components can drastically reduce cost, while more complex mechanisms improve feel